What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in. We're back in the 350z. We're headed to a canyon right now. Actually, one of my favorite canyons that I know about. It's right down here at the end of the road, which is pretty awesome. We're kind of low on gas right now. We have about a quarter tank, but there's a gas station right at the end of this road, and that's usually where I end up stopping and filling up. So I think we'll be able to get there, and we'll be able to use the quarter tank that we have kind of as some weight reduction for these canyons. This thing sounds so good. Just topped it up on oil, so we should be good to go. Hopefully the angle of the GoPro is pretty good. I've been moving it around quite a bit to try and get the good angle. It is on my forehead, so it gets kind of tall. We're gonna go this way. It's a little shortcut, I know, and there's no one in this lane right now, so that's always nice. See, I've always told myself that I would rather wait an entire light cycle by myself, and be in the front of all the cars than like make the green light but be stuck behind like 30 people, you know what I mean? I'd rather just not have anyone in front of me so I could just, cruise casually, Praying and hoping that no one is going to be like taking this canyon road with us, and we're going to have most of it to ourselves. If this Lexus tries to get in front of me, I'm going to be so mad. He wanted the sauce. All right, we made it. What does this sign say? Slow down, cross traffic ahead. All right. Okay, so bear with me. My suspension's really tight, so canyoning is what it is. Let's get these windows all the way down. Just trying to get around this person. Don't do that at home, kids. Tight corners. I'm gonna slow down a little bit, let the traffic get away from us. Just listen to the sounds of this engine. Take it easy here for a second. It sounds so good. This is so much fun. I mean, the fact that you can get these things for between $5,000 and $10,000 it's just unbelievable, really. As you can tell, when I brake pretty hard, the steering wheel will start to shake. See? And I think it's the front rotors, because I recently did the backs and I think they're okay still, but it's the front rotors I feel like, because I haven't done them. They're the same ones that were on the car when I got it. They probably need to be done, but it hasn't been too bad. Geez, this thing just handles like butter. It just wants to go wherever you point it. Like, I can't explain it enough. Oh, this used to be a shell. It's not a shell anymore. We'll make it work. Jeez. Should we get a picture for Instagram? All right, got some gas so we're not starving the fuel pump anymore. Hopefully the GoPro angle is still pretty good. The traffic wasn't too bad. It was only kind of bad towards the end, which, you know, I can't really complain. It's like 11:30 in the afternoon right now, so. All right, let's head back, get a little gas station stop. How does it sound that good? Amazing. Amazing. No way. No way. Thank you. Catching him. Just let the traffic pull away a little bit. Catch up to him so fast. All right, there it is. That's basically the end of the canyon. We're back basically where we started. It's just no matter what you do, you always get stuck behind somebody. I always think maybe it's just a sign from the universe telling me I should drive a little safer. So we'll just accept it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Go ahead and drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, if you want to see anything specific. Please let me know if you guys like the GoPro video and I'll make more of it. I love making the GoPro stuff. I've got a whole bunch of canyon roads out here that I would love to take you guys along with me on. So let me know down below. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.